Hi, my name is Angelo Masters. I'm a marketing consultant and brand growth specialist. I've helped over 24 small businesses start and grow their brands, and I've helped large enterprise clients scale their online businesses over $1 million on channels like Amazon FBA, Walmart Marketplace, and Shopify. Let's get down to business. In today's digital landscape, it is no longer good enough for you to be only proficient at the things that make your small business unique. It now takes a host of skills, systems, and understanding marketing strategy in order to properly attract customers for your business. That's why I developed this course, to give small business owners like yourself all of the knowledge that you need to take your business to the next level. This course will go over everything that you need to know so that you can properly market your business. We'll start off by going over brand identity and learning how to create marketing plans. After that, we'll move into things like content marketing, how to create more leads, and we'll spend time looking at the customer journey. Once we move into more technical parts of the course, we'll go over advertising, and I'll show you how to set up, run, and properly manage ads on places like Facebook Business Manager and Google Ads. Once we get towards the end of the course, I'll show you how you can take all of your previous marketing efforts and use email campaigns to convert customers in the background. I'll even give you the game on free tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console that you can use to successfully manage your campaigns. Now, if you're someone who works in fashion, you're an artist, or you sell service-based products like a real estate agent, some of those things that I just mentioned may sound like a complete foreign language to you. However, without a dedicated strategy that includes multiple of those things, your business simply will not survive or thrive in today's digital landscape. Old school marketing techniques with things like radio ads, billboards, television ads, and even magazines are not driving customers into funnels that convert in the way they used to. And let's be honest, organic social media without an integrated strategy is not a reliable plan for your business, because gone are the days where you can slap up an Instagram profile, get a bunch of followers, and make $1 million. So let me show you how to create marketing plans that attract customers who are looking for the unique things that your business offers. Let's keep it real. Chances are, if you've made it this far into the video, you could really use someone to help you out with your marketing. So I invite you to learn more about this course by taking a look at the course landing page, and once you have all the information that you need, I further invite you to join me on the other side so that we can take the journey together to growing your business. This course is designed for you to go at your own pace or for you to share and collaborate with your small team. The course is very affordable, and we offer 3 and 12-month payment options that can allow you to get started with very little cost today. I really hope that I'll see you on the other side.